Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm sharing a full figure oil painting exercise, sped up about 10 times from the original 2.5 hour session. It's a simple shape-based approach to freehand painting, no grids, no tracing, just working from big forms down to the smaller details until I'm happy with the final result. This session is all about training the eye so that you can build up the ability to draw and paint freehand, especially something more complex like this human figure, without using tracings or grids or guides or anything like that. A lot of art schools these days don't even really focus on this type of training. Some ateliers and traditional programs still do, but many colleges lean towards digital or conceptual work. That's why exercises like this are so valuable, especially for me, because my work kind of depends on the ability to freehand so that I get the style that I want. I like to start with a loose sketch to establish the key landmarks like the head, rib cage, pelvis, limbs, things like that. And then I move straight into blocking in the big shadow areas, the midtones, and the lighter shapes. I simplify all these things down by squinting. That usually helps when I'm looking at the reference image. And then I slowly start to sculpt the forms in place more accurately with paint. And then I refine it until I feel like everything is perfectly where I want it. And then I'll usually finish with some final brush strokes to kind of bring it all together. I'll also look at things like edge control, make sure my edges aren't too sharp in certain areas, and some other little fine details to call it good. For these exercises, it's not about rendering every single detail. It's all about developing the instincts to place shapes, balance, proportions, and build the structure confidently. One of the other skills that I'm always sharpening is my ability to color mix. And as you can see from these colors, I'm using some very subtle yellows and greens and grays just to kind of keep the colors simple so that I'm mostly focusing on drawing. But by doing that, before I even lay any paint down, I really get a good handle on what colors I want in my painting before I even put a brush stroke down. But for me, the core of this exercise is really just the visual workout. It's something that I try to repeat regularly so that I can get sharper and more efficient, and I don't really have to think about it as much. I find that doing this regularly really helps me sharpen up so I don't have to overthink things as much. I can trust myself. There's a lot of things you really benefit from just doing an exercise like this where you're not really worried about the final product. And one of the other things I like to do to make sure this stays an exercise is I'll do this on just watercolor paper so I don't have to feel any pressure to make sure that it's a good final painting when I use a more expensive piece of panel or a cradle panel or something like that. I do prep it with GAC 100 and gesso just so that I have a good surface, but again, I could throw it away after it's done. I won't feel too bad about it. Now, if you would like to go deeper into the methods I like to use for my painting practice, feel free to go over to my Patreon account where I have full-length tutorials, real-time painting demos, guided exercises, downloadable model references, and some art downloads as well. So feel free to check that out, and I think it'll really help you in your journey to becoming a better freehand painter. Now, it would be great if you could like, subscribe, follow, whatever you could do would be awesome. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put some music on so you can watch the rest of this painting session play out. I look forward to talking to you again next week. All right, bye.